Hi, this is Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you another journal that's made with a notebook cover. This one was from Tuesday morning. It's beautiful, colorful cover. And then I have 4 signature spine tassel attachment with beautiful tassel made with sari silk and beaded on top right here. So you can add more things to it if you want to. So that's the side. As you can see, I have charms here, and here's the back. So let's see what's inside. And here I see I forgot to remove the sticker residue. I'll have to do that. Fix it as much as I can. So first signature, I have a lot of ephemera in here. I love these cute stickers. So you can, glue it, so you can add it even on this journal card or on a tag. Make cute designs with it or whatever you decide to do. So I'll try to go a little faster through it. So many different things. Pages for collages. This one is really cool, dark green color paper. Anything you can use in a journal or different projects. Coffee dye paper, here I have a little feather, vintage books, book pages, journal cards. Of course, pages like this you can add your own pictures. And then here, this is super cool textured paper, and that's some ephemera, so you can either journal on it or make it into a tag. I really love this. This is a really pretty paper. Then envelope here. So what I have here is all the leftover pieces of paper that I had when making this journal. And I figured that you could use these as stems for flowers or add them on the side of a page for decoration. I figured, why would I toss it if you might actually use it? So I have a lot of these. You can, you can cut them into smaller, narrower pieces or make, borders for your descriptions. I'm just including them in here. And I also have this die cut, so you could stencil butterflies, and that's a bow, so that's cute too. You can use that. To see what I'm doing here. Some more beautiful papers and doilies. Here is a trim. Another vintage page, that's from notebooks, those journals from Dollar Tree. You can stamp on pages like that. Really pretty. Here is the leftover fabric from the spine that I had. So you can journal here. And this is such a beautiful page with the picture here. Can journal here, or you can trim this entirely, and I have a typewriter here, it's a sticker. Some washi. Here I have attached charm that I made, so cute. Here again you can use this as a stencil, so you can put a piece of paper underneath it and stencil on it, and that's an extra piece of paper that you might use. Then here, this is kind of cool, I like this. And it kind of matches this one here. Postcard and a tag. Second signature, here is another envelope that I have. So you can add it somewhere in a journal. And I have some pretty ephemera in here. I'm going to list this journal as soon as I make the video. So, a couple stickers here and here, another journal card for you to use. Pretty butterflies. And pretty book pages. This again is pretty page. And then this is a flip right here. And on top of that is beautiful sari with some beads and pretty embroidered part here. And then this is more ephemera. I love this paper. This looks like leather on this side. Just little journal on this side and sticker and journal card. And here's another one, the good stuff, Sunday. This is origami paper from I don't know, Tuesday Morning or Timo, but I don't remember actually. And coloring book page, this is, what is this? Either some type of wrapping paper or glassine paper. I don't think this is glassine paper. And a big pocket here with pretty paper. And this is from Timo, I think. Either Timo or Amazon. Don't remember where I have the stuff from, but maybe Tuesday Morning. So, you know, different pages. Journal always looks interesting when you have different things in it. Beautiful paper. I love this origami paper. This is a really pretty summery page with the strawberries. And that's a flip with a couple of journal cards underneath. And here's another charm. It's cute mushroom. Glass bead. Middle of the journal, another flip. Now what do we have here? This cool vellum paper or vellum stuff with beautiful designs on it. Journal card and another piece of paper, so you could use that. Planner page. Oh, I like this. It's cute with this bow here and again ephemera for you to use. And then this is a sticker, but you can glue this somewhere. Look how pretty this would look. Somewhere in a journal. Where are we? Here. So we have more stickers, more journal cards. This is beautiful. So you could glue this here also. So many choices how to use these things. This paper looks like wallpaper. I love it. That's from those journals from Dollar Tree. Again, another very summery page. Pretty. Another origami paper. Then this is a pocket. And cute journal card here. washi on this side, and that is a flip, and there's a hidden pocket here with a couple things. So that goes there, and nobody would know about it. And then here I have another pretty paper, pretty ephemera, and another tag. This is, I think, from Amazon, I believe. But anyways, you can glue this somewhere on a page. And a little pocket here. Tree, really pretty. Very soothing. This one is with the brown on the other side. And last signature, I made a flower here. I left low space here so you could still put maybe a picture underneath and then glue it down. And then really pretty page. Some more stuff to use. And here also, it's this way. Another pretty book page, some birds, texture tag, another pretty page. And another journal card. I love this page. The pink here and here looks so pretty. And here I made a flower, just to show you. Right here. It's a flower. I don't know where I got that. That's really pretty letter. I don't know what language this is. Maybe you do. You can let me know in the comments. I don't know. And then you could glue this down and make it into a pocket. You could put something in there. And a little tag here. And here's a bird. Is it the same? It's a different bird. So I have these journal cards here. And again, different things. Cool tags, cool paper. All the textures, all the colors, so pretty. And for you to use. That's just some print, but I thought it was cool. And that is the end of the journal. I'm going to list it for sale. If you're interested, you can follow the link. And here are all the charms. One more time. Here is the flower, and that's the cat with a charm. And here's the tassel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.